Hi everyone, this is just a quick, review of here's my clothes for the week and the wigs that I'm going to be wearing. So we've got some green, some red, some blue, orange. So there's my clothes. Okay, and I got some, I'm going to be filming these tomorrow. I got 4 Paula Young and 2 from Hello. No, not Hello. I want to say Hello, but it's Hair Kitty Kitty. So you'll see I got a new Rene of Paris. So here's what we got. So up on top, I have, what do I have up on top? That's Sunset from the Jaclyn Smith. And then, so these are what I'm going to plan on wearing. Sunset, and then I have, that's Floor and Honey Blonde. And then this one here is the Lush Breezy Waves in Cosmic Teal. And then I have Danica and the Denim Fade Rooted. And then I have an Amazon one that they sent that I have to do a review on. So I'm going to do that. And then I have Josie in Honey Blonde as well. And then I have Grape Burst, or Lush Waves and Grape Burst. And then I have Danielle on the bottom there as well too. So that is what I plan on wearing over the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. And then those are just ones that I'm storing. All right, so they should be coming up. I'm gonna do hair mail tomorrow, and then I'll be filming each day as I wear the wigs. All right, thanks for stopping by.